minute since I vlogged. Maybe like a month or so since I've last posted. But c'est la vie. On the menu today, we've got waxing, going to the Sun Ski to wax their snowboard, because I go skiing with Jimmy and Zach and then the Waterloo crew in January. And then I've got to develop some film photos that I've been waiting for 2 years, a year and a half to do. And then lastly, I'm gonna go pick up a backpack from some guy, because I'm going on a trip to Peru in January as well. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Picked up the backpack. I'll show you guys when I get home. I decided not to develop film yet because I audibled to go to St. Bernard's over here in Westlake instead of Sun Ski because it's less expensive. So I'm gonna get my skis waxed or my snowboard waxed real quick. Just got home. So I'm got this on Facebook Marketplace. 45-liter backpack, Black Diamond. It's called the Black Diamond Element. Seems like a pretty neat little bag. There's a pocket here on the top flap. I think this will come off. Yeah, it does come off. But yeah, I think it'll be perfect for the Salcante trek. Whenever I get to packing and whatnot, I'll make a more detailed review, hopefully. So yeah, that's it for now. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want peace, get the animal fries. Put her on